Want to use your Straight Talk phone on another carrier? Here's how unlocking works in 2025. Straight Talk locks phones to their partnered networks like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. To unlock, you'll need to meet eligibility criteria, which varies by underlying carrier. For Verizon-based phones, expect a 12-month service requirement. AT&T or T-Mobile may only require 6 months. The phone must be paid in full and not reported lost or stolen. To start the process, visit Straight Talk's website at straighttalk.com/unlock, use the My Account app, or call 1-877-430-2355. Have your IMEI or ESN number and account details ready. State your reason for unlocking. Unlocking is free if you qualify. Once you submit your unlock request, processing typically takes 1 to 5 business days. You'll receive unlock codes or instructions via email or text. Delays can occur due to account verification issues. Keep an eye out for updates. Looking ahead, Straight Talk is offering more factory unlocked phones, especially 5G models. Automation may speed up unlock processing in the future. The trend is towards easier unlocking due to consumer demand and regulatory pressure. However, Straight Talk's prepaid model may still have some restrictions. Avoid third-party unlocking services. Always use official Straight Talk channels to prevent device issues.